Alright, so what we have going on here is we have the hot water heater for the RV, and it's running on biogas, and you can see the pretty flame there and hear it. And to do that, I've had to cover the holes here, and now it goes out, as you can see. I cover this hole with aluminum foil because this hole is where the that's where the restriction nozzle is, and I didn't want to remove the restriction nozzle, so I just using a 20-watt pump, but I got to cover that up. And then when that's covered up, then the flame ignites. As long as this is covered, as long as that's covered, then we have flame right there coming from the biogas using the 20-watt pump. So the way that this is working now is the biogas is coming in here to this valve. I put a T here. This is a 3/8 inch T, and by putting the 3/8 inch T, I have the line that goes down to the actual RV. That line there is intact, but I can switch between propane here, which is coming up from here, right there, and in with that regulator, or I can go from biogas, which is opening this valve here on the T, which goes through this plastic hose, and then it goes, it's this plastic hose here, and then this line here goes to the garden hose, which goes all the way to the propane digester, which is way back there. So we're running biogas through a garden hose that goes up into the kitchen and then comes out after going through the pump. I have to go inside to show you that, but we're definitely heating water. So from now on, that means that we will be able to heat our bath water just on biogas, and we don't ever need to use propane for the bath water. So that's exciting. And when we go inside, we're making tea at the same time. So we're running hot water heater and making tea at the same time on the biogas that we have. So there you see the biogas making the tea. But this valve here is the one that's open, that's going to the hot water heater, to the propane line. And this is coming from the propane biodigester going into this pump here, which Russell was very kind enough to seal up all the places where the air would get in. And so we're having some success there. I guess this tea is ready, so we can turn that off. But we're still heating the water. But don't turn off the pump, because I'm heating hot water right now. Maybe you can make some tea there. I need to go outside. That valve stays open. We're going to have to independently valve this from now on. I got to get another valve to put in there. I'm heating up bath water right now. So the gas is coming through here, going into the pump, and it's going out that back valve there, out the window, and then into the RV line.
It's working?
Yeah, it's working fine. So that means no more propane for hot water. And this is huge for us, because that means that we don't have to worry about that $50 per month charge for propane. The only thing we need propane for now is the refrigerator, which doesn't use all that much. But there you have it. We can heat all the water that we want now. So very exciting. Good day for us.